Brothers, have you ever wondered what it takes to truly captivate a woman's attention? To have her thinking about you long after you've walked away? Today, I'm going to share something incredibly powerful, something that 99.9% of women are turned on by, and thousands have confirmed it. Intrigued? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to create an irresistible attraction. We all know that women crave an emotional connection. But what does that really mean? Many of us think it involves talking about love, romance, and lifelong commitments. While these can be part of it, there's another layer that's just as powerful, if not more so: sexual desire. Imagine making a woman feel the dirtiest thoughts just by the way you talk to her. It's not about being direct or explicit, but mastering the art of subtlety and innuendo. Let's dive in and uncover how you can use this to turn on that switch and create a magnetic attraction. 1. Emotional connection through sexual desire. First off, you've probably heard that women crave an emotional connection, but what does that really mean? Many men think it involves talking about love, romance, and lifelong commitments. While these can be elements of an emotional connection, there's another layer that's equally, if not more, powerful: sexual desire. 2. The power of subtlety and innuendo. Here's the kicker: an emotional connection can be entirely built around sexual attraction. Yes, you heard that right. If you can make a woman think, "Wow, he just made me feel the dirtiest thoughts," that's an emotional connection. It's a feeling of sexual attraction and arousal that binds her to you. And this is where subtlety and innuendo come into play. 3. Playful accusations. Let me give you some examples. When a woman is complimenting or challenging you, let her know that you're onto her game. Accuse her playfully of having a dirty mind. You could say, "You're so hitting on me right now," or "You're falling in love with me, aren't you?" These lines work because they're playful and flirtatious without being vulgar. 4. Subtle questions to introduce sexuality. Another approach is to ask subtle questions that could lead to something more sexual. Start slow with questions like, "Have you ever been skinny dipping?" or "What are your thoughts on public displays of affection?" These questions introduce sexuality into the conversation in a non-threatening way. If she responds positively, it's a sign she's on the same page and ready to take things to the next level. 5. Engage her imagination. Why does this work? Because the brain is the largest sexual organ. By allowing a woman to use her imagination, you're turning her on more than any direct statement ever could. To see proof of this, just pick up any romance novel. Notice how the tension builds gradually, with sex being implied and teased before it becomes explicit. This is what women respond. 6. Practical application. So, how do you implement this in your day-to-day interactions? Let's say you're having a conversation with a woman and she's teasing you about something. Instead of just laughing it off, you could say, "You're so hitting on me right now," or if she's challenging you in a playful way, you could respond with, "I knew you had a naughty side." These responses are lighthearted, flirtatious, and suggestive without being crude. Remember, brothers, mastering the art of subtle communication is your secret weapon. It's about creating a feeling of sexual desire through imagination and innuendo. This is how you make an emotional connection that's rooted in sexual attraction. So go out there and flip that turn-on switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and join our family by hitting that subscribe button. See you next time.